Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I teach you Chinese grammar in a fun and easy way. Today we are going to analyze the sentence 没有希望了. Let's break it down chunk by chunk. The first chunk is 没有. This is a negative word that means not have or there is not. It is composed of two characters, 没, which is a negative prefix, and 有, which means have or exist. Together they form a negative verb that can be used to negate the existence or possession of something. The second chunk is xīwàng. This is a noun that means hope or wish. It is composed of two characters, xī, which means rare or desire, and wàng, which means look or expect. Together they form a word that expresses a longing or expectation for something. The third and final chunk is le. This is a grammatical particle that has many functions in Chinese, but in this sentence it indicates a change of state or situation. It is placed at the end of the sentence to show that something has happened or become different from before. In this case, it implies that there was hope before, but now there is not. So, putting it all together, the sentence 没有希望了 means there is no hope anymore or there is no longer any hope. It expresses a feeling of despair or disappointment about a situation that has changed for the worse. I hope you learned something new today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more Chinese grammar lessons. Thank you for watching and see you next time.